peace talks between the government of Ethiopia and the OLA and engaging other armed groups in the country. In the light of the suffering endured by the people of our country, particularly women, due to the prolonged armed conflicts involving the government of Ethiopia, OLF, OLA, and other armed groups, we, as the leaders of women-led and women-based civil society organizations, driven by our unwavering commitment to advocating for peace building and conflict resolution, hereby issue this statement to call for sustained peace talks between the government of Ethiopia and the OLF, OLA commencement negotiations with other armed groups in the country as follows. Number one, as independent organizations with a steadfast focus on peace building, we extend wholehearted support to the ongoing efforts of both parties, the government of Ethiopia and OLF, OLA, to resolve the conflicts that caused extensive damage to our people through peaceful negotiations. Number two, as civil society organizations, we affirm our dedication to contributing to the success of ongoing negotiations and to ensuring that they yield the intended results. Number three, despite the fact that women constitute more than half of the country's population and are disproportionately affected by armed conflicts, their exclusion from the Pretoria negotiations and the 2 rounds of Tanzania negotiations is a matter of great concern. Therefore, we demand the inclusion of women in all dialogues, negotiations, and decisions that will shape the future of our country and impact the life of our girls and women. Number four, while it is regrettable that no women participated in the previous 2 negotiations rounds, we strongly urge both parties to deliberately involve women in the forthcoming rounds of peace talks. Number five, in advocating for women's participation, we urge both parties to ensure that women are included as a part of negotiations, implementing parties, and beneficiaries should an agreement be reached. Number six, recognizing that no country can achieve comprehensive development with the active participation of more than half of its population, we call upon all stakeholders who seek to make meaningful contribution to the country's development to plan and implement intervention in manner that promote and enhance the meaningful participation of women. Number seven, lastly, we implore all stakeholders to resume the 2 rounds of negotiations between the government of Ethiopia and OLF, OLA that failed to yield the desired outcomes, and call upon the government of Ethiopia to take the lead in engaging all armed groups within the country to put an end to the suffering of our people once and for all. May peace and stability reign among our people. Women participation for holistic change.